Today we've come to the western side of the Atherton Tablelands, to Herberton, and it's Australia's largest privately owned historic village.
Yep.
So they say you can spend more than a day here, so lots to see.
Yeah, you get a 3-day pass, I think.
Yeah.
Dave's Garage. And some nice pumps on the outside here. Texaco, Shell, petrol Bowsers. And inside we have car collection. Hooray! Flying Standard 8. Ford Model T Roadster. Willys Overland, oh yeah. Pontiac, is it? Or Plymouth. Morris Cowley, Bedford Ute, Vauxhall, GMC truck, and White Cars Company, the White Cars Company. Don't know much about the White Cars Company. And the old Land Rover Series 1. And a Vespa hiding in the corner. (1933) Continental Flyer. This is the Phaeton soft top. Old motorcycle here, Douglas 350 twin. Chevy Maple Leaf truck, 1934. A Derby's truck, Morris Commercial. (1951) Daimler Consort. My uncle had a early model Daimler. Buick Series 40, 1939. Buick badge there. And come back to Chrysler Tourer. And another Chrysler Tourer, 1927. And a 1934 Packard Super 8 custom limousine. I'll do an engine start up here. A 1923 Harley Davidson V-twin. And no, that's not the sound it makes, if you can hear that in the background. Flat out finding the straight six nowadays. goes. All kinds of bits and bobs here. Magnetos, gauges, spark plugs. The old spark plug cleaner. Geez, that one's an old one. Melbourne Star Auto bike. 1930. Chevrolet's purring along. Chevrolet. We've got some wildlife in the back of here. We've got a stuffed duck and a crocodile. Got the old stationary engine. Nice old 27 Chevy. There's that farm pump engine again. Oh. Oh. No, died. There's some of the old cars we've got there at the back here. Late 20s Dodge, 1930 Pontiac. And 29 Plymouth, 1934 Willys, and 1936 Dodge, Australian body, as well as another 1930 Dodge. Got an old Hudson over in the back there. We're in the toy emporium now. There's 917 Porsches and I don't know, a yellow golf cart. All kinds of bits and bobs. Got a Volkswagen, Datsun 240Z and Mercedes Batmobile. And as we go across, Thunderbird 2. There's a dragster. All kinds of tin stuff. Top shelf, there's Corvette. And various bits and pieces. Got a collection of old bulldozers out the back here. So I don't know my Caterpillar from my land, but yeah, good to see the old girls.
Last registered in March 1975. Oh, you found a Ford?
Yeah, found it before.
Some rusty old... That's a doozy, that one.
Yeah. Mobile steam cooker.
Yep, more Ford Blitzes and Chevy Blitz.
Yeah, they were all made during the war by several different factories, all of the same kind of design. Drive too.
Yeah, it's a long one.
So it's got chains on both sides, Vic?
It's got chains on this side as well.
Yeah.
What is it?
A tin over the top of the fuel fill. Old Chevy.
More over this side.
I can't identify those ones.
Got some newer tractors now.
And that's just running on kerosene?
Petrol.
Petrol. Ah.
They do run on both, all of them. We just run on petrol.
Are they easier to start on petrol or?
Some days, yes.
Some days.
This one didn't want to start today for me.
Oh, okay.
This one's not running. No, that one's not running. This one, that one's good. Push start. These ones you've got skin inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I go 10 goes and close it.
That was it. Yeah.
So there's 6 tractors here, and today he tried to fire them all up. He got 2 going out of the 6. So he says he counts that as a win. 2 out of 6 ain't bad.